Okay, you need 3 ingredients. You need oil. I use canola oil. There's a half a cup of blue kernel popcorn, not quite all the way to the top. And the Amish Country sweet caramel glaze, a third of a cup. I don't fill it all the way full, as you can see. I put 3 kernels in. And then I'm going to fill enough oil in here, probably more than most people would want to, but this is the secret. I'll put enough in there to cover the bottom of the pan and just about get those kernels just about floating. And then I'm going to turn it to, what do I do? I think it's about 3.5. That's the flame. And I'm going to cover the pan until those 3 kernels pop. Okay, I think I heard 2. I'm going to peek. Yep, they all 3 popped. Now I'm going to put the popcorn in, and right away, go ahead and show that over here. I'm going to dump this in around the sides, and then I'm going to cover it, and this is where it's key. You got to start shaking it really good, and I'll let it sizzle for a second. And I'm going to shake it because you don't want to let the corn sit down there. And when I put that glaze in there, reduce the temperature a little bit so it's not going to start popping just right away. And every now and then I kind of let the lid come up a little bit to vent. In the meantime, I'm getting the spoon ready to be able to help dig out the case it sticks in it. Starting to pop. And that caramel glaze is going to keep it from popping like really high and big as each kernel pops. But it's still popping there. As long as I'm getting a pop every few seconds, I'm good. And it's still going pretty good. Oh, it's slowing down a little bit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Okay. And now while it's still hot, I'm going to go ahead and start going ahead and shaking it. I got a big bowl. I'm going to salt. I like the salt that has it hot. Put that caramel all the way in there. Turn it a little bit. Just turn it. A lot of that salt's going to go to the bottom of the pan, which is why it looks like I'm salting it a lot. But all right, and that's homemade caramel corn.